Hello lovely family, welcome back to Simple Recipes Kitchen. On today's menu we are making air fried cheesy bacon bread. This recipe is very simple to make with very few ingredients. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Hello lovely family, our air fried cheesy bacon bread is ready. This is a very simple breakfast or lunch recipe. The air fryer took this recipe to another level. The whole family will love this. Try it for them. It's a very ready to go breakfast, very tasty and crunchy. I love this recipe with some grapefruit juice. Thank you so much for watching once again. Kindly subscribe and join the Simple Recipes Healthy family. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and safe. Kindly share this video with all your families and friends. Bye bye.